In today's digital landscape, protecting your privacy has never been more important. Let's explore the privacy settings available in Windows 11. As of 2025, key concerns include data breaches, unauthorized tracking, and the misuse of personal information. Accessing privacy settings in Windows 11 is straightforward. Simply navigate to the Settings menu and find the Privacy section. Manage your location services by turning them on or off, ensuring your location data stays private. You can control your camera and microphone access, allowing you to determine which apps can interact with them. Adjust app permissions to control what data each application can access, adding another layer of security. Activity history can help you monitor your device usage, but remember to clear it regularly to maintain privacy. Windows Defender offers a suite of tools to safeguard your computer against threats, keeping your data safe. Ensure your Microsoft account settings are appropriately configured to enhance your overall privacy protection. By following these best practices, you can secure your personal information and enjoy a safer digital experience.